Today on Get Your Eat On, I'm turning a prepared salad from Costco into a fresh, flavorful kale salad. I'm serving this alongside my lasagna, so I want something simple, fresh, and easy to put together. Since I'm eating this kale raw, I want to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. And you know what? If I'm going to be eating some raw kale, I'm going to clean these just like I'm cleaning regular collard greens, because these greens can be a little nasty. And that's why sometimes when I'm working with kale, I'm very selective as to where I purchase my leaves from. But definitely clean these very good. And I use vinegar, because whenever I'm using regular lettuce, I use vinegar in my water and I allow it to sit for at least 20 minutes. And be sure to remove the tough stems from the kale, because those large stems are not going into my salad. Next, I'm cutting the kale into smaller, bite-sized pieces. After it soaks, I'm rinsing it thoroughly several times. While the kale is soaking, I'm peeling and chopping my cucumber. I only need enough kale for one serving, so I'm placing the amount I want in my salad bowl and saving the rest for another meal. Next, I'm adding my chopped cucumber. Now here comes the shortcut. I'm using Costco's grain-and-celery salad with Apple Cider Vinaigrette. Instead of serving it by itself, I'm using it as a starter and adding some of the mixture directly to my fresh kale. And since it already has grains, chickpeas, celery, cranberries, almonds, and plenty of texture, it gives this kale salad an instant upgrade. This is an easy way to take something prepared from the store, add your own fresh ingredients, and turn it into a salad that feels homemade. So this kale salad is fresh, crunchy, flavorful, and the perfect side dish for my lasagna. Now go ahead on, y'all, and get your eat on.